What's happening around here, Papa Joe?
We got some tiny house construction happening.
Tiny house construction.
Yep. More maybe like they're tiny and they may end up being affordable. I'm kind of feeling more like how do we make affordable housing?
Yeah,
Tiny houses can be expensive.
Yes, they can.
But you know, yeah, we need more places for more people to live in an affordable way.
So they're gonna go on those trailers over there?
Yep.
There's 3 trailers, so there's gonna be 3 different tiny houses?
Yep.
And how big are those trailers?
They're upside down right now because I'm going to be putting metal on the bottom, the undercarriage. They are 10 by 20 feet.
10 by 20 feet.
They're not, these aren't necessarily road legal because these are going to stay here in the valley.
Okay.
If they were going to actually go out on the road and be driven around, they would have to be a little bit smaller.
Okay.
But since these are going to stay here in the valley, I was able to make them wider, which is going to give us more room inside, and not limited to 8'6", which is what the limit is if you got to drive them out on the road.
8'6".
Mm-hmm.
Right. All right. How much do you think it's going to cost each one of them? You don't know yet.
That's what I'm figuring out. If I could guesstimate to be around 35 to 40
with the labor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would feel good.
Right on.
But we'll see. They might come under. They might. Materials have gone through the roof right now, so that's something to consider. Like just since last year, stuff's up almost like 40% in cost. So that's huge when you're thinking about if your materials were going to cost $15,000, now you're looking at $22,000. Right. Significant.
Yes,
so
it is.
I don't see the prices coming down anytime soon. So that being a factor, we'll see. I'll keep you posted.
Okay, well, stay tuned.